am Thor, god of... Swimming in the rain is 100 times more fun than swimming on a sunny day.
Never vaped in my life, I swear.
Nah.
Hey, may Zeus himself strike me down if I'm lying. Hey, didn't strike me though.
Is this what you want? Come on, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
So here's some proof to y'all bitches that there's no God. God ain't real, okay? If there was a God, there'd be a lightning strike in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, this is very concerning.